Hi everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm here today to share some super fun and simple boy birthday cards. So I'm using the Dynamite card kit. I believe you can buy these separately from Tailored Expressions, but I had bought it as a kit and absolutely love it. It was really fun to work with. So you get these true color little cards, which I love. I'm kind of like getting a stash of them. Just lots of good ideas. You also get in this kit the mini strips Dynamite. These are really fun. These are one of those where you stamp them and then you use a die to cut out all these different sentiment strips. And then there's the main stamp and stencil. So you stamp that and then use the stencil. And then this is a dinosaur plate that will cut all those dinosaurs out for you. It came with some matching enamel dots. And then there's the Insider's Birthday Boy, which can be foiled. I did foil them. You don't have to foil them, but I did. So let me show you what I made. And I did a couple different things. So I used some lime green foil on the fronts of these cards, and I love how they came out. And so I stamped and I stenciled. Some of them I stamped and embossed in gold, and some I just did in black. And I just stenciled over them, used the plate to cut them out, and then I get all these little dinosaurs to put on the front of my card. I also used this Let's Party stamp and die from Tailored Expressions. I absolutely love this one. It is so fun, and it's perfect for I think these types of cards, boys cards, birthday cards. Super happy, and I did the insides of them. And then this one is inspired by one of the My True Color cards, and this one you can see was embossed in gold, and then I inked over it, and I absolutely love it. So cute. I used one of those sentiment strips and then the sentiment inside. And then this one, I used it as a background, and I used that time to celebrate sentiment. And then a leftover dinosaur is there on the bottom, and I just think it's so cute. Really fun. And so when you have like leftover pieces, I just use them, and so cute. And there's some sentiments inside from those strips. And then this one was embossed in gold, and just using leftover pieces is kind of fun. And I just love it. So cute. I'm so happy I got this because it's adorable. And so when you open it up, it says your Dynamite, and just some really fun ideas for boy birthday cards. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Create the Heart.